After spending endless hours on Instagram thanks to the lockdown, I'm sure you've seen at least 5 beauty bloggers raving about the Jade Roller. Honestly, this season is all about self-care and skincare, so if you're a little skeptical about this beauty trend, I get it, I was too. But after putting it to the test, I can tell you I'm a convert. Hi, I'm Saachi Bhasin, and today we're going to be going all in depth about the Jade Roller. But before you get into the video, if you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, go ahead and subscribe now. What is the Jade Roller? A Jade Roller is, in a nutshell, a face massaging tool. It is actually made out of the semi-precious stone called jade. Now, this natural stone is made out of ornamental minerals, which is amazing for the detoxification process of the lymphatic system. Jade the stone has natural healing abilities. What's more, it's very cool to touch, so that really helps to minimize any signs of puffiness, early aging, as well as under-eye bags. If you use this regularly, it will even help to aid any circulation as well as lymphatic drainage. I know it sounds too good to be true, but guess what, you guys? If you use this regularly, I assure you visible results sooner than you think. So I use the Jade Roller with my night serum. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It has the potency of a serum, but it also has argan oil, so it really hydrates my skin without it looking like an oily mess. So the second way I love using my Jade Roller is with a sheet mask. This is absolutely amazing. So I apply the sheet mask evenly on my face, and then I go over it with the Jade Roller. This really helps to ensure that the potent ingredients of the sheet mask seep right into my skin. You can also use the Jade Roller after just freezing it in your fridge for a short while. The icy cold stone will help in significantly reducing puffiness, and it's absolutely great if you've woken up with a swelling face. How to use a Jade Roller? Step 1. Prep the skin. Make sure to hydrate your skin well. This will help the roller to massage your skin effortlessly without tugging or pulling at it. Step 2. Clavicle, that is your collarbone and neck. Start by placing the larger side of the roller at the clavicle, using light pressure and an up and down motion roll on the clavicle, moving up to the neck. Repeat this 5 to 10 times and then move over to the other side. Step 3. Cheek and jaws. Place the large end of the Jade Roller on your chin, apply medium pressure and roll it towards your ear. Repeat in the same spot 5 to 6 times and then move to the opposite side. Step 4. Forehead. Move up to your forehead. Starting in the middle of your forehead, use the large end to roll towards your ear. Repeat in the same motion 5 to 6 times and then switch to the opposite side of your forehead. Step 5. Under eyes. Using the small end, apply medium pressure and roll from the inner eye towards the outer corner. Repeat 10 to 15 times and switch to the other eye. Step 6. Brows. Place the roller between your eyebrows and roll out over each eyebrow. Repeat 5 to 10 times and switch to the other brow. Step 7. Jaw. Use the small end of the roller and run it over the jawline bone. Applying medium pressure, move back and forth and then use rapid rolling on the spot that feels especially tight. It might seem like a lot of work, but it's only a 2 to 4 minute process, and trust me, once you start working with the Jade Roller, you might notice a little bit of a flushed look, but don't worry, it's a good thing because that means that the circulation in your skin is really increasing. Your last step is to always clean your Jade Roller with warm soapy water, because guess what, this thing is going to be touching your face every single day, so make sure you keep it clean. While the Jade Roller isn't the solution for every skincare concern, it's definitely a must-have for my beauty arsenal. It leaves my skin feeling and looking plump and rejuvenated, and I would love to know if you've tried the tool, so do share your experience with us. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.